and as my voice is up. Me sure say no team na my voice more from. I'll try as much as possible not to be slow because me sure by the time you do be 3 minutes kana my hit. But I'll try so that I'm slow. My voice
radio is on it you.
Aye, but my voice more from.
Sanda Fiifi ba.
Yeah.
Tu se challenge na man kui.
Bazi de bibia show na.
Awunya tsena. Konso na chi ana nya de yi ni shela pe on shower.
Aye.
Ana fa say rap channel.
Ana no me say na on tia sie ni tia. Say ohwe me TV so joy ana so team or lava me tiem. Na me won Nhyira dia o kono ko video me tiem na me tiem. Me tiem
Rap channel na fa.
Ah na say fe bibi mass market ha no ana obo na o kosati. Na na yes. Rich yanko.
Okay.
Hi. Which Barcelona number 10 jersey ne officially now it belonged to a 17-18-year-old boy or yet the child of African immigrant parents. You see, club number 10 any jersey numbers and I mean 2 and 2s about it. But for a club like Barcelona, where the number 10 essentially is the iconic nature of Johan Cruyff, now essentially the representation of Ronaldinho genius as a player, and it's a natural aura of Lionel Messi, you know, Rivaldo, Mo, all of these players who have done Barca's number 10 jersey, for it to move to Accra already 18 years and now, a couple of days ago. Now on free Spain, on free South America, and make on free Spain. I'm not talking about his passport. On free South America, on yet European, but on yet the son of a Moroccan man, and then a mother who is of black skin proper from sub-Saharan Africa. No, Rich. It is worth talking about. And you just a boy and no make catch you or see he knows that a Yasimu Yaniponi born a little Messi, and that is good. But for him, he is writing a different story. And any money it's said, you see, and in the next 5 years, if things go to plan, the next person, Obeshe Barca number 10 jersey, you know, Ebeye Obia, or yes, Sebe, a black man.
18-year-old
boy, born to immigrant parents. I mean, in Spain, if you're an immigrant parent, you are not in the first class set of people. Take it or leave it. But this is an 18-year-old boy who now becomes rich, and your mom number 10 was jersey, even for your chroma. Your mom number 10, I just want to call on your top dog.
Sabi, Manfred chame say me you see where do you radio so. Say taka you say number 10 jersey in fan share kwase.
Debi.
You be an edition.
And a Lionel Messi, Jesse, a Johan Cruyff, Jesse, a Ronaldinho, Jesse, a Barca Foro, a Susu as number 10, and now Lamine Yamal.
So this Yabana.
He does. The emotional bit is the fact that where he comes from, ideally, I don't think, say, and the last time I've said it several times, nobody tells that story better than Ayala. Abranane Nanamu, every Morocco, Abba, across it, Abba Spain, you know. I don't think they ever thought that there's going to be somebody from the lineage of Sir Ibanez Nazarawi family, you know, that will come out and wear Barca's number 10. I don't even think. So Abraham Ultra saw picture with Lionel Messi, Nani Mami and Nani Papa felt that he, Lamine Yamal, could have gone on to become who he has become right now, to don the number 10 jersey. Rich, and Lamine has shown us, say any hype. He has shown us, say Boro Onimbo. Abia onye the number 10 of Lionel Messi last days, our Baba drop page ball, be crazy. He is the number 10 that keeps the ball high and wide. 1v1 demon. We are there obetron. Now uti anye no kati onto the left foot in the in trouble. Could be San France for no. Kokobisa, Espanyol for. Go and ask everybody who have had a taste of Lamine Yamal's left foot when he cuts onto it. He's literally unstoppable. And I don't know about the new phase of Team FNFC Barcelona. And this is the picture of Neymar. Which you see, Abraboya Yebwe. Before every child dreams to become whatever they want to be, there is always a penny bakwa who believes a crown be. And this is a picture of Lamine Yamal in the opening days as a young boy in Barcelona. According to them, they be a because nepa paro na akwa fanyi sayaba. And then say, so what fanyi sayaba, okra udi to trust him was paying hanodo. And one thing about the North Africans that usually go to Spain, a lot of crimes in Spain are usually attached to them. You're hot-headed. In fact, Lamine it happens and well documented. And the man say, Media Krano. Into the Kokoya. This is a picture of Lamine's grandmother. Constantly. I don't know. So no be a catch and the banana. So no one who Peter said in Nana say he felt that okay, bueno or post school, I am baby or I could car. But whatever it was, the woman kept on going. And then I love the fact that Lamine Ekon, Nene Mame Sem no kita. Yeah. Nyani papa nsem, although ni papa ultimately say, ni cousins be near the Adioma Gumaya, you can tell that they're from the father's side, Edioma Chidie. But ne nana.
And he said, I didn't cry delay because none nana come.
Yeah.
There's a me catch him say, look, me nana mai.
Is that nana?
So moon chama me nana.
Exactly.
Oba na fi akwa presentation. Immediately ni nana ni fi Morocco be do ye na. Yanko.
And yes,
that bond no.
Hey. I was reading a story of how no Yakran and the full name no is Lamine Yamal Ibanez Nazarawi. And almost say, oh you do because characters need also do. Professionally, you have to use two of them. They have to go round. According to them, their grandfather no want to only doing the end one had to come together for him to move on and wish for from his grandmother. And then Lamine became the boy. It was a brilliant sight to see over there. It's one of family, one of struggle. And Rich, I like this video from him. He posted this on Instagram. And I'm Kokowe. I'll say, to wear this jersey, talking about Barca number 10, no? He talks about Niabasa Fona Yamano when he wears the jersey. To wear this jersey, playing well isn't enough. He goes on to say, some made history talking about Messi. Others had fun playing. And him talking about Ono, he is the best ever I've seen, Lionel Messi. And he goes on to say, Lamine Yamal, that one, yeah, I can see it. And after the whole thing, Lamine Yamal said, oh no, the dreamer is that he will give everything he promises to Barcelona for. To your Barcelona, or see, he will give everything he promises and then he will do that job. And this video is so symbolic. It started with Nhyira Kitwana and Mame Eba. And after the Kwako two never pass. And of course, I never find this on the channel here. Is he more Lamine Yamal send the channel? Moon baby free. Moon baby free.
Moon knows how good. And then we didn't go baby.
It was a man as a man at the dinner. And then Nana said, you're the dinner. Ebia Nana Mano, Papa in the hard, boy in the hard. But also, the last time I make us, he said, Sasana Yaman, rich Lamine Yamal and the mamma and the papa corners and the papa bar. Ebia Nana side of Bushane bar. Lamine Yamal, Papa make a choice of massa. Me had you now, and I'm out when you probably you free.
Sure. Me assure some I'm in a crown.
Yeah.
Ebia sometimes or can manage my we know where we were.
Of course.
To baby. But I don't know call back.
Yeah.
I bet you.
Yeah.
He's a victim to the family.
It's the area. Yeah, and essentially Lamine Yamal almost from Mataro to Messi. Lamine being crowned the next real Barcelona king or the Camp Nou, from the La Masia to the Camp Nou. Big name Spa and award, and it was a very, very good one. Which I don't agree that says Chelsea for Tony Nicholas Jackson. And every day when I say stuff like this, I add the fact that there are only a few people who believed in what Chelsea wanted to do from the off, other than myself. And say who build the project do this point in time. You don't sell the very people who have grown and won the project. What on only Maduke because none on is so pesoko. But rich, so okay, say chinchine time. You want to sell Nicolas Jackson? I disagree. You see, Club Link has one person to Nicolas Jackson. But me who Chelsea for fans bebre, especially on social media, who keep on saying, "Oh, Jackson Kranko," because now there is a new shiny toy over Chelsea, and Chelsea fans promo shiny toys pa. This is Chelsea ni who say, "Oh, player for Fraba." Oh, your friend is Joao Pedro. Your bonding Joao Pedro. Liam Delap. Whatever but 2 goals in the then the old player should go. No. Next season, Chelsea are competing in the Premier League. Chelsea are competing in the English Champions League. Chelsea are competing in various local competitions. England, Rich, is it certain? Say, oh yeah, there. Joao Pedro will score 20 goals next season. No. In current football, we know that it is possible. Say, Betman start this season. Not Joao Pedro. It is possible that Liam Delap cannot even hit the ground running. So in this season, you keep Nicolas Jackson to it, and that's why I agree with the sporting directors. No, sporting directors have briefed everybody. Say, Nicolas Jackson. Name Oka say open Nico dia 70 million. It has to be a fee that they deem it outrageous for you to pay. AC Milan for no coach Chelsea for no Kubisa Nicolas Jackson won't come on. Which Omudru on my Chelsea for 70 million. They have not retained again. I agree with them. There is no way a brand friend Nicolas Jackson should be sold from there. Omoto Nicolas Jackson, then they are making a big mistake from there. But at team your friend of Aston Villa, there is a boy called Morgan Rogers. Now, Morgan Rogers, you player, they call them the needle movers. Say, Yemfabo free Fiifi, na all pressing, or prevent you from winning the ball from him, the press resistant player. No. And no air Brentia Morgan Rogers, the kind of quality that he gives you. And Chelsea for are going to Aston Villa. I think those are the two things that they would want to do as they are going forward. Bringing in somebody of the caliber of a Brentia friend Morgan Rogers, and then of course adding Obi to say Jao Hato. Only say Marco Creia games will be bring untimi rest, and it's important that Chelsea for will get a replacement or a backup for a Brentia friend Marco Creia. Newcastle for have slagged. Almost like a Richardo. Oh, say Liverpool for have almost finished the deal for Hugo Ekitike.
Maybe be a boy and so fuse over Liverpool.
And I make a so that's why Newcastle have slacked. Then Nichechema, like I'm saying now, the boys agreed to play Liverpool.
Mm-hmm. Because at the current time, me Geno too.
So Nichechema going
to say Newcastle, they are so maybe your mind.
No.
They were ready to pay the money.
No, the slack is not about Ekitike.
Oh, okay.
The slack is about Alexander Isak.
Okay.
So who will play a friend Alexander Isak? Isak has made it clear so person call Liverpool. Liverpool are offering 120 million as of yesterday. That was the price that we had. Now, Unya say Otono Maneko. Now Koto Hugo Ekitike, who is more like him, you make it happen. Now Newcastle follow the 3D chess game. Liverpool for any more pimps or cover. Now Liverpool have decided that let us forget about Ishak because Liverpool will not buy Ishak and buy Ekitike. They have gone to Frankfurt, giving them a good offer, agreed terms with Hugo Ekitike according to Fabrice Hawkins, and now Omo Fabo Enako, Akau Alexander Ishak, 2 years or so on a contract. So this season, your friend said one who qualify for Champions League. Next season. Is Ishak still going to be willing to stay at Newcastle for 5 seasons? Big question. Is he going to renew the contract? The amount of money can Newcastle bring for Brentford friend Alexander Ishak, it is literally going. And what we are hearing is that Liverpool phone have gone very, very close with Ishak deal. No? If you see Alexander Ishak, Brentford friend Hugo Ekitike, the player for them. Very, very versatile attacker. Very, very versatile.
Liverpool for Ishak deal.
No, on to Ishak and to Ekitike. It was one of them.
Now, the next player I say Liverpool turn Ishak.
No, Liverpool not buy Ekitike.
Now Ekitike.
No, Liverpool not buy Ekitike and Ishak. Liverpool wanted one of those players. The main player was Ishak. And Oko Ishak. And also 120 million. And of course, Newcastle won a brief that they wanted to buy the both players together and have Ishak and Ekitike in their team.
Okay.
And I want to call Frankfurt on Frankfurt born. This can come out Frankfurt. They said that they won't take 70 million. And the Liverpool I doubt, in my analysis, I doubt that Liverpool do a deal for 2 attackers. And last season, our German Bundesliga, Harry Kane, Michael Olise, Omar Mamouche, and in fact, last season, most of Omar Mamouche goals were saying on setting it up before Mamouche left for Manchester City. 23 goals, our German Bundesliga. Next to Sergio Guirassy, Tim Kleindienst, and Florian Wirtz, the German Bundesliga. Now offer the top 6. And that's the top 7 highest goal scorers, or even the top 5 highest goal scorers. Liverpool for team. Very exciting times. Oma for Florian Wirtz from Bayern for Leverkusen with 22 goals. Abrante from Hugo Ekitike with 23 goals, all from the German Bundesliga. And it means that Abrante from Alexander Ishak most likely stays at Newcastle United. Now, still.
I
didn't hear.
It's a Manchester situation, no. Adia sending no. I say, and you may get to West too much. Yeah. They bend for zone per 70.
That's some of the Muska. Where are the 4?
And I'm about 70 now from the amendment from Carlington is almost 70 there. I'm going to pursue him. On the back of.
So what about Jackson's are?
And now, do you know? Your catcher brand says, look, what catchers are Bobo Manchester? On call for no Suscano Bobo, no, you never receive it.
You want to transfer?
Oh, person, but they are only call for Nkasa. Nombra from now, you ain't me meet you on the so that you beat me a foul. Me cry, there no problem. Kofi, and open na me dream and DB. Look at the players who move free Manchester. I can't see. Yes, transfer ni Andrew baby there, but you're quite problematic. Say, Jadon Sancho said the Obako, Marcus Rashford Obako, which is a Tale Malaysia. Go in. What I said, Lindelof, Ganacho Budinano, the catch on Zobunko. And so, some players are Mbeumo. They are integral members of the team. They are all living.
Say, the analyst for no more than your analysis.
No, but Ben.
Oh, say
because they say you started preseason.
Yo, July and Fiifi.
I understand. You started preseason. So what teams you know omo person me be next season. Player bia obi a pe bia wanya ntam. No na ni preseason.
Okay.
But so we dey ya. As a yen hu dey here bi. Already kakra na e no omo so sako.
Basema to kunya.
Ba ku pe dey.
Base on last season.
Charles am dey man we bebre ka hu. Ba 11 or
Barcelona season na players be bring.
Ericsson mu ni na ko.
Barcelona season players we be bring yo. Iti offer mu defense on na. Mu ko to Lenny Euro 2 seasons ago.
Yeah.
Lenny Euro is fully fit now, so you play.
Sure.
There is Leandro Martinez. You bought him in excess of 80 million. He's going to play. Oh, fullbacks. Fullbacks are more problem with Manchester United because Tyrone Malaysia did not come and do the job that was expected of him to do. Mebao, Dalot do not. They didn't find the position to position. Great. Now because he found the position from position. Dalot. Can Dalot still play Manchester United? No, maybe a squad player. Look, sure, you can't really trust him. Goalkeepers the same too. Buying the name under Amadu Onana. It's enough. In Fiifi also is another problem because Manchester United do not have a deep line playmaker. Kobe is the deep line playmaker. He can play as a single 6 against top pressing team. But Mason Mount is back. Manuel Ugarte is back. Casemiro is back. Bruno Fernandes is in the team.
Mason Mount also they are Cheshire no.
Rich CCC. Rich banter aside if Mason Mount will play football.
I know. But you see,
if Mason Mount is fit of a bubble. I'm telling you.
Fit no better no fit.
Oh no, but Mason Mount
now it's clear or injury prone.
No, last season of a ball last part.
Oboba ku no pra.
Me person make us here trash money, but obobo na mama.
So who will somebody say?
Oh, said any idea you but obobo na mama. Messi Mount bad guy. He will play the ball for you.
But last season, seriously, I'm worried.
But Mbeumo there's something to turn.
I'm worried.
United need to find out.
Now it's clear. Yeah, I can't Brentford. Any Brentford now say, look, 70 inch. Then 65 inch.
Wait, but why would you pay 70 million for Brian?
Yeah, you see.
Last season, Michel numbers in the Premier League alone, he had 20 plus goals.
I come back, no. Ocean numbers or Premier League,
and you need goals.
To some extent, it makes sense.
Yeah.
Say, Uncle Fonabaka on 70.
Yeah.
But at least, Kofi, Debbie, I'm coming saying, you're not transfer. No, I be a hoa. Brentford player,
which Debbie, I say, Mokas, Brentford flash training goals, transfer na BBN, but that is the current state of the market.
But Yankas to Abrantino, want to suck at my
70 million.
70 is too much.
Wait, Tobasi. Obiakoto who Ekitike. 23 goals.
And you
see, that's the thing. It was a market value. When you Liverpool determine market value, no. One account. It's not Liverpool that determines it. Okay, player no born no.
And I'm saying, say,
yeah.
Yankas Abrantino on deserve price no to
so then why would you pay?
But yeah, because I want to so.
No, deserve to pay.
Yanwas a Kufujawi. Now, Oton phone. Phone will be a market price, say be a 2,000. So, chairman, I mean, me don't know them there.
Yeah.
And Kauyen say, mammy.
Yeah.
Sanya.
It's on to so.
Young Casa brand do
so you see, our big clubs, especially big clubs fans, are very funny. And Anna, especially because big club fans don't understand certain things. Rich, small club, no. On to so. And into on to so, Oko Brighton, Honma, or J. Chelsea, boss, I born with Kaiser, on to so. Oko Kaiser of South America, but no be anymore.
Me, I suspect
these small clubs are going to pick these boys from seemingly unknown clubs. No, nobody knew them. In Bofumu, you can be Rex aversion. Manchester United will not go and buy a young because there are a lot of young Mbeumo on the market. When you play about Mbeumo, but we're 19, we're 18, but on because the brand Manchester United is a big club. So if you want to avert the risks, no take risks, not play another planning Mbeumo. Why would you pay? Then it means the Manchester United are not ready to compete.
In case you're ready. Yes, I'm to Sukaka.
Sukaka is when you're ready.
Not debut, I dare you. You're around 65 near the
help me, Uto how much did you buy Kunya?
Negotiation table near Kowa, and near be bringing
Uto Kunya sing.
Kofi, Uto, the end of Yastic,
me find Yastic, Uto on a sing.
And one other saw your call.
Singer, Uto Kunya sing.
Say, I can't say any players go back out the Anton
Manchester, see, Chelsea and Kabeka, Manchester United, the people that are handling the sporting side of the game, they are not serious.
And yes, sir. Easy Casam.
And this guy said, it's United, who now get the highest financial sponsors for English player, 50 million. What are you telling me? Sikaben SM. Chelsea can depend Manchester United with Sky as a brand.
And me, I suspect
I know they want to do Sky.
Tottenham for the
Tottenham, yes. You find excuse for Manchester United.
Thomas Frank in the church.
And then Thomas Frank church.
Or catch a Ben for Fonsemas and go for Mumos.
Oh, dear, Mate. Whatever Mubasa we Marcus Rashford on the radar of a lot of people, and it looks as if say a brand here friend Luis Diaz there, a bedding the move for him. No. Our Nasser for almost 100 million about. We'll see how that one is going to pan out there. Mami see what I say. Now me cool because in the UEFA Europa League, UEFA Conference League qualifying rounds no na rich matches no they are clear swoop and the way we've been winning this week, I suspect say you may be winning and odds no so pa 8 odds any other. The first one we say 8 odds. The next one no, I think say 39 odds. The first one 2-1 70 390 second one 2-1 70 1F 4D and the second one third one 2-1 70 17 EC fourth one 2-1 70 11 E7 and our last one 2-1 700 54C. These are the 5 codes I'm in the mouth. And the games no emuda hopa Ligia Warsaw Monia they are doing now all playing plus European Championship and Mano Sweden and England so when you may they are all part of them rich. So mama kwani dia mama fancy na I'm here to us later.
Ati, me da Kofi.